Today I'm feeling nostalgic with some vintage Christmas ideas, featuring charming vintage toys and classic Santa Claus charm. If you love creative transformations from days gone by, you'll love these 5 thrift flips. Welcome to the Chic Show. Our playlist today is hosted by Shabby Meets Bling and Repurposed My Way. I thrifted this adorable rocking horse at a local thrift store. I've been on the lookout for one to use in my dining room, and I found the perfect one at a thrift store here locally for $12. So let's clean off my dining room table and let's see how it fits. This rocking horse was in perfect shape. It has felt on the bottom so my table won't get scratched. The felt is in perfect condition. So let's take a look at it. It looks like it's the perfect size, exactly what I was looking for, and it doesn't interfere with the light above, so I think we can work with this. I'm just tucking in some greenery that I had on hand. Some is from Hobby Lobby, some are from Dollar Tree, just everything that I have. I really needed some bigger pieces, but I'm trying to use what I have on hand. So I'm just going to keep working with those and some red berry picks, as well as some bells and some little green ornament ball picks. My Christmas theme this year is going to be Santa and his toy shop. So I'm going to have a lot of Santa, some vintage toys around, as well as all my kids' Christmas ornaments from over the years. So the rocking horse was the perfect centerpiece. Now I'm just going to take my time, just tuck in some of this greenery, and then I can always move it around later.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
And finally, I wanted to put something around the rocking horse's neck. So I took a black belt that I had thrifted and I cut it to fit around the neck, and I am going to add a little bit of greenery to this and a plaid bow. A couple of things that I think I am going to change are I'm going to make the bow longer so that it just kind of drapes down into the greenery. And I think I'm going to add some jingle bells along the neck of the belt on the other side. And here's a look at my Christmas centerpiece. I did add the Santa mold from IOD just for fun. I may find something better for that spot later. It's funny how when you get something in your head and you finally find it, you find more of them. So here is another small rocking horse that is pretty old, but we are going to give it a makeover and make it look more antique and more fitting to my decor. So I took it outside and I gave it a coat of black spray paint. I thought that would just be easier. And now I am sanding around the edges with my finger sander, and I will do this around all the edges of the entire piece. I mixed up some milk paint in Barn Red, and I'm going to be painting part of the rocking horse with the red paint just on the bottom and on the handles at the top. I applied 2 coats of the milk paint, drying each coat with my hot air gun. I was hoping the heat would give me some nice crackles, and it did not disappoint. I had some nice crackles. I did sand down in a couple of other places where I wanted it to look a little more worn. Once that was done, I applied some dark wax to the entire piece. Once the wax was applied, I used a dry paper towel to wipe it back.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I found these three little train cars that were obviously handmade at the Goodwill bins a couple of years ago and wasn't sure what I was going to do with them. But I decided I'm going to use them with my Christmas decor this year. So the little spindles on the side, or the dowel rods, were not quite as dark as the wood was, so I'm going back just with some antique wax by Waverly, and I'm staining those a little bit darker. It may seem like a subtle change, but if you look at the cars side by side, you can tell the difference. Now I needed to decide what to put inside them. I have all these little wood ornaments that I thought would be perfect coming out of Santa's bag. So I put some floral foam down in there, and then I'm just going to work these little wooden toys down in there as best as I can get them. I'm not going to be hot gluing them because I do want them to stay loose in case I decide to use them in another way in the future. I decided Santa needed to be driving the train, although there is not an engine. We're going to pretend that he is driving the train. So he's going in the red one, and then I'm going to add some Christmas trees into the yellow one.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle.
Another Goodwill Bins find was this cute little wooden airplane. I'm going to be using Barn Red again, and I'm going to be using it on parts of this airplane. It did not have a propeller, so I'm using these little wooden ice cream sticks or spoons to make a propeller. So once I have them glued together, I'm going to drill a hole in the middle, and then I'll be painting those with that Barn Red paint as well. I scuffed sanded the airplane in the places that I wanted to paint red, and I was also hoping for some crackling. I decided to paint the wings, the propeller, and the tail red, and I did apply 2 or 3 coats of this milk paint. I did get a few cracks and some peeling paint, which is what I was hoping for, but not quite as much as I would have liked. So I'll use my finger sander just to sand away some more of that paint. Now I'm going to apply some clear wax to the airplane, and then I'll go back with some dark wax as well. The dark wax will help age it a little bit, but the clear wax will allow it to not become too dark. I added my propeller with a little bit of wood glue, and then this project was finished.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
If you enjoyed these vintage Christmas finds and festive thrift flip ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the holiday magic. For more inspiration, check out our host channels and the playlist in the description box below. Here's another video I think you might like. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.